Young old boys are liberated to get completely inebriated. Let out, set free, an evening pass to get completely rat-assed. Raise the anchor and set sail across an ocean of beer and ale. Roll and pitch, but first a pub, a place to hide the shame of balding heads and portly guts, growing girths and shrinking nuts. Not a bar where boom 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 fills the room, and sights of women in short skirts really hits us where it hurts. We are old, we are old, we are old. I'm only here for one or two that really will not do. I've got a morning obligation that really will not do. I'm on heart medication that really will not do. Reputations are ripped to shreds by laughing portly balding heads. And if we are lucky, we may see one of our number get very messy. Keel over drunk, piss his pants in a pissed out state, slurring words about his fate. Angina and getting no vagina. Collapse in the gutter and mumble and mutter. Angina and getting no vagina. The curse of middle-aged British men. We are taking bets tonight on who will make it to the end. The nasty, drunken, messy end. My race is run, my taxi ordered. Her indoors has called me home. Young old boys roll home tonight to screaming wives and barking dogs, urinating cupboards and sleep